The gull is a clever seabird often seen soaring over beaches and harbors. With its white and gray feathers, sharp eyes, and loud calls, the gull is hard to miss. These birds are expert flyers, gliding smoothly over the waves and diving for fish. Gulls are also very smart. They can adapt to many places, from coasts to cities, and even use teamwork to find food. Known as the guardians of the shore, gulls play an important role in cleaning up nature and keeping the balance near the sea. Kindly share and subscribe for more amazing videos.